So here we are, the June walking tour. We're just going to go around and take more visuals, less of me talking. It's going to be a great tour. Much progress continues to happen. Updates to the practice gymnasium. We're in the main hallway of the high school. New concrete. Over here is going to be a new entryway to the art room. And over here is going to be a new entryway into the choir room. So we're in the future atrium area. A lot of progress since last month. Over that way is Scioto Street. And then you can see wall all the way around. So we're in the back of house of the Performing Arts. This is a new space, but something that's been added since last month is storage area under the seating. This is another location of the back of house. The green room is right here, and then we have a restroom for the performers right here, and then a sink area. And then on over this way is going to be the run of the back of house, and this is the hallway to the stage. So we haven't been upstairs at the high school in a long time. It's been difficult getting up here, but much has been accomplished since we've taken a tour of the upstairs. But over here is the sound booth, and then on down there's a lot of finished work happening. It's looking great. We're at the early childhood site. Not much has changed on the outside, but there's a lot of work that's been completed on the inside with finishing work. We're going to go ahead and go on in and take a look, but as we go through, we're going to go to the front entryway on the other side of the building where there's an office area, and then we're going to see the parking lot where cars will be parked and students will be dropped off, and very soon the asphalt will be poured in that area and that parking lot will be completed. So go ahead and take a So this concludes our June walking tour. Much is being accomplished during the summer months. We're very happy with the progress that's being made. We feel that the early childhood building will be ready to go for the beginning of school on August the 25th. High school, we still have a lot of work over there. We'll be giving updates as the summer progresses and as we get into the fall. Until next time, we'll see you and stay safe.